Hello everyone, welcome back to Udu's Kitchen. Did you know you can make super crunchy delicious chin-chin using cassava flour? Yes, you heard that right. With very little capital, you can start your own chin-chin production using cassava flour. This video will show you how to make festive gluten-free Christmas chin-chin. And it is also a perfect guide if you are planning to start cassava flour chin-chin production in 2026. It is simple, easy and cost effective. So let's dive right in. In our previous video, I promised to share some amazing recipe made with cassava flour. Today we are beginning with one of the most popular snacks of the festive season, chin-chin. First, measure 3 cups of cassava flour into a bowl. Please follow this method carefully so your chin-chin comes out perfectly crunchy. Next, add 1.5 cup of hot water. The hot water helps the cassava flour stretch and bind together. Never use cold water or the dough won't form properly. Start mixing with a spatula, then switch to your hands and combine until smooth. Allow the mixture to cool completely before adding the remaining ingredients. Once cool, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more or less depending on your preference. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili pepper. This is optional, but I love mine spicy. A few drops of vanilla essence. Mix everything until it forms a thick, fine dough, about the same consistency you get when making chin-chin with regular flour. Now it is time to shape our chin-chin. Transfer the dough into a clean working surface and divide it into 2 equal parts. Set one aside. Flatten the first portion. Trim the edges and cut into your desired chin-chin shapes. Small cubes, stripes or any shape you like. Remember not to roll out your dough too thick. Thicker dough will give you less crunchy chin-chin. So make sure to roll it as thin as possible. This will not only make your chin-chin comes out crunchy, but also increase the shelf life of your chin-chin. I will proceed to cut mine into square. That is what I prefer. When you are done, transfer them into a bowl. Bring in the remaining dough and repeat the same process. Now it is time to fry. Place a pot of oil on medium heat and allow it to preheat. Then throw in a ball of onions for fragrance. Add your chin-chin pieces gradually. Don't stir immediately. Leave it to fry for 30 seconds before stirring occasionally to ensure even browning. Once they turn golden and crunchy, remove them from the oil and transfer into a paper-lined bowl to drain excess oil. Allow them to cool completely. This is when they get even crunchier. And there you have it. Crispy, tasty gluten-free cassava flour chin-chin. Perfect for Christmas celebration or for starting your own production in 2026. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Udu's Kitchen for more amazing DIY food recipes. And watch out for more recipes made from cassava flour. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.